Welcome to Tech Titans, where we explore the best in gaming and technology. Today, we're diving into the iBUYPOWER Slate 8 Mesh Gaming PC, a powerhouse designed for gamers who demand nothing less than perfection. With cutting-edge specs, a sleek design, and unbeatable performance. Is this the gaming desktop you've been dreaming of? Let us find out. First up, let us talk about design. The iBUYPOWER Slate 8 Mesh features a striking tempered glass side panel, allowing you to admire its high-performance components and clean cable management. The mesh front panel ensures optimal airflow, keeping your system cool during those intense gaming marathons. Add in customizable RGB lighting. And this PC is not just a powerhouse, but a centerpiece for any gaming setup. Under the hood, this beast packs an Intel Core i7-14700F CPU with 20 cores and a turbo speed of up to 5 GHz. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this processor delivers blazing fast performance. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU, boasting 12 GB of GDDR6 XVRAM. You'll experience stunning visuals and smooth gameplay even in the most demanding titles. And let us not forget the 16 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5200 MHz. It's non-RGB. But trust us, performance speaks louder than lights. With a massive 2 TB NVMe SSD, you'll enjoy lightning-fast load times and enough storage for all your favorite games, media, and more. Performance-wise, the Slate 8 Mesh is a gamer's dream. Whether you're conquering the battlefield in Call of Duty, Warzone, exploring massive worlds in Cyberpunk 2077, or pushing your limits in Forza Horizon 5, this PC handles it all with ease, thanks to the RTX 4070 Super SD LSS 3.0 technology. You'll enjoy higher frame rates without compromising on visual fidelity. Heat is the enemy of performance. But the Slate 8 Mesh is ready for the challenge. With its advanced airflow design and pre-installed case fans, your components stay cool under pressure. Plus, it's Wi-Fi ready, ensuring a stable and fast connection for online gaming and streaming. And with plenty of USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort options, connectivity is a breeze. So, who is the iBUYPOWER Slate 8 Mesh for? If you're a gamer looking for a pre-rebuilt desktop that combines performance, aesthetics, and reliability, this is it. It's also perfect for content creators who need power for video editing, 3D rendering, and multitasking. And there you have it, see the iBUYPOWER Slate 8 Mesh Gaming PC. With its powerful specs and stunning design, it's a solid choice for gamers and creators alike. What do you think about this PC? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Tech Titans, and we'll see you in the next one.